To give you an update on DOT, a bit of Polkadot coming through. We're going to be going through Polkadot from a market structure perspective, breaking down TA here, and then we're going to be looking at some key buying areas and some price predictions for the next 6 to 12 months if you were just to simply buy and hold this asset. So starting off with DOT here, looking at market structure, you can see these are the yellow lines that we've got plotted in here. These are the current higher lows. As you can see, guys, we do have quite a few of them here. Now, this is very important because this determines whether you're in a nice uptrend or whether you're in a nice downtrend here. So you can see the last time that we did see a bit of flakiness coming through from this higher low, we actually started plotting in lower highs here, which is very, very important because you can see we actually found really nice support on that higher low. And the most recent high low that has been set here is essentially this bad boy just here, around $8.05 there. This is very important because if we lose this area, guys, if we lose this area, then we need to basically look at this area for a downtrend. Then the next point from that is going to be the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. And you can see that's basically priced just below that higher low there, and that essentially means and it does mean the confirmation of the reversal of the trend. Okay, so if you lose this area, if you start losing $7.74, then please expect lower prices here. Probably going to see lower prices for this asset around $7.37 here. Just quickly, guys, I want to talk to you about a free cryptocurrency webinar that I'm hosting every single day. In this webinar, it basically shows you a simple 5-step strategy on how you can build a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Everyone that attends this webinar will get access to a new strategy worth $250 and also $300 worth of mindset training as well. If that interests you, link is in the description. Also, link is in the top side of the screen just up there as well. If you want to get involved with that, just click there. But for now, back to the video. You can see nice support on that has been formed previously, so maybe you don't go lower than that coming into this alt season, but I would expect price fluctuations just because of the Bitcoin halving and how crazy it can get over the next sort of 7 to 14 days or so. Just be prepared for that. Now, if you are looking for upside for Polkadot, obviously very bullish, layer 1 blockchain, really, really good stuff here. I would expect a potential breakout zone coming through from here. Now, you can see we do have a falling wedge chart pattern coming through, and that is bullish, guys. It does tend to usually mean breaks to the upside here. So if we are going to be doing a potential long position for this asset, it would be something along the lines of this. And that is going to be from the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level of support all the way up to this area here at around $9.60. And that is going to be worth around 9.83% to the upside. So very, very bullish overall if we do see that break to the upside. Now, in terms of buying areas for this asset, guys, obviously, as I said, we do have the halving coming up. So I would expect sort of price fluctuations between these areas. I would be looking to buy more DOT from this area here. And basically holding that for a 6 to 12 month period. And if we are going to be breaking down all-time highs from the previous bull market for DOT, we can go over to CMC, currently trading at $8.48. All-time high for DOT that we do have on this chart is up at around $54, okay? $54, okay, with a market cap around 12.1 billion. Now, if we are looking at the previous all-time high market cap, that's 51 billion, okay? So it basically shows that we have seen more circulating supply actually get put into circulation, which is interesting because if we were just going to do a price prediction all the way up to the previous all-time high, then it would be ridiculous. Okay, it would be ridiculous. So let's do that just to show you guys for a second, and that is up to what was it, 54 bucks per coin. 54 bucks. Yeah, so it's going to be around a 5 or around a 6.43x there to the previous all-time high that we do have on this chart. Now, if we are going to just be looking at market cap, from a market cap perspective here, we're already at 12.1 billion. So essentially, if we're going to be doing a 6x on that, guys, you're going to be looking at roughly around 66.6 billion dollar market cap to the previous all-time high market cap. It's around a difference of around $10 billion. So you're probably not looking at around $54. You're probably looking at around probably 10% lower than that. So around $45 is going to be sort of a better price prediction looking at the new circulating supply that we have seen for DOT that has come into circulation. So looking at around 40 $45, $46. So that is still going to be around a 5x on your investment, guys. So it's still definitely one to hold. Definitely an asset that I do think is going to explode over the next 6 to 12 months here. And again, using that market cap, that $50 billion sort of area here for Polkadot as sort of an average for a potential high period for this asset, I think this is still conservative, still underpriced. If we're looking at an asset like Solana, obviously Solana is another layer 1 blockchain here, that is currently sitting at around $77 billion market cap. So that's already a 7x, near enough a 7x or so in comparison to DOT in this current market, okay? So that's essentially saying that if we were to get to Solana's price right now for DOT in terms of a market cap, we could be looking at around a 7x, which is already higher than the price prediction from the previous bull market, from the previous all-time high, right? So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how high this asset could go. But from a conservative point of view, I would just say be simple, expect a 5x on your investment here. For DOT. If you like the video, guys, let me know what you think in the comments as well. Smash a like on it if you do like it, and also if you want to see more of this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of my uploads. And I do stream every single day, Monday to Friday as well. If you want to catch me live, you can do that as well. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Peace out. See you in the next one.